Hello everybody, we're here today at 1000 Islands Toyota. My name's Dawson, and we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive. This comes with a 1.8 cylinder engine, produces 139 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque. Comes with a set of 16-inch rims. Let's take a look at the inside. So nice interior here, nice comfy cloth seats that are both heated as well, which is really nice. Nice blend between the dark grays and the piano blacks that are utilized. Really can appreciate that. Very comfy for long rides. This car is very ideal for highway travel or for in-town travel as well. The back seat, you can see that despite its small size, it's definitely still a nice ride. Lots of space in the back. I'm 6 feet, just over 6 feet tall actually, and I can still fit comfortably in the back of this, no problem. Still lots of leg room. And we do also have a nice armrest / cup holder for passengers in the back. So decent amount of room in here actually, really nice. Just want to show you guys before we look at the back here. Here on the driver's side, that is actually the release for the trunk. So that pops open. So once again, despite its small size, it does have quite a large cargo area in the back here. Really nice sized trunk for whatever you need, for bigger grocery shops, sports. You can still fit everything in the back here. And it does come with 2 sets of mats for the different seasons, so really nice little deal there as well. So here we are in the driver's seat of the Corolla LE, and right off the hop you're going to notice a nice set of gauges here, very easy to read, very nice during nighttime driving as well. And you have the multi-information display on the right hand side of the gauges that hosts a good amount of information here. So this is utilized by the directional pad and the back button. So you just need to press left and right or up and down. So we have our Toyota safety sense features, which are the dynamic radar cruise control, the lane departure alert. We have our trip distance, some more settings for the Toyota safety sense. So we have the lane tracing assist, the pre-collision system, the blind spot monitoring, and the rear parking aid, and any messages that pop up for the vehicle, and then the digital speedometer if that is your preference. Some more settings here on the side for the window wiper defrosters and the auto headlights. Then we have our nice infotainment setup here that has touch screen as well as physical buttons on both sides, and the tuning knobs as well, which is a really nice feature for when you're driving. And then we have the climate control as well, really easy to use, very nice and crystal clear on the display, which is definitely appreciated. And then we have the heated seats, as I stated earlier, for the driver and passenger with high and low settings. We have our traction control, our nice shifter, we have our parking brake, 2 cup holders, and then we have access to our USB and our 12-volt power supply. So there you have it, folks. That's the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive. Despite this being a base model, you still get a lot of really good features. The reliability, of course, this is Toyota, and at the same time it is comfortable and has a good amount of space for your passengers. So this is definitely a vehicle worth having. And we strongly encourage you to come on down to 1000 Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.